I am coming to you straight out of camera, but not exactly straight out of camera because I still will do the jump cuts. But the audio is straight out of camera, hence this video title being so useful as you listen to me right now. But I just got a package. All right, ready? Wanna go inside? Let's get out of here. It's a little muggy. A few years ago, I did a video on a Tascam DR-40, which when you go with vloggers, most people have a Rode mic on top, but I simply use this as my on-camera mic, and that's the thing for around 150 to 200. These are kind of better bang for the buck. And the reason I say it's a better bang for the buck is with the Tascam, you've got these XLR inputs for a microphone as well as a 1.4 for 1/8 headphone jack can plug in with an adapter. You can speak directly into it and record podcasts from almost anywhere. And on the new Tascam DR-40, you can use it as a USB microphone when streaming. That is a good bit of versatility for the price. Not sponsored, but it could be at Orama. Contact info is below. Coming in here with a scooper and not a knife because really no reason. It's laying around and it kind of gets the job done. Manual, batteries, where's the good stuff? Silver. So this was a little bit of a sticking point of getting this silver one. It was $50 cheaper than the black one. But I knew the bottom was two-tone because when it goes on top of the camera, I don't want any weird light reflections coming off of this silver, so that's why black is so essential to be on the bottom when using the Tascam in this way. So pretty similar on the back. This side is pretty similar underneath. The top is pretty similar over here. It's just a difference between the two USB ports. This is a micro USB. This is the older schooled USB, still USB 2.0. We're gonna put our 4 gig card in for now. I'm on a different microphone, but I just want to tell you, if you want some photo, video, and channel theme apparel, we've got it for you over at YeagerShots.com. So now I'm back outside wrapping this video up, and it's one of those noisy situations inside and out, but this is the audio from the Tascam DR-40X attached to my camera. Let me know if this seems like a solution you might use on your vlogging setup. I've already did a full video on the Tascam DR-40. There's not a ton of difference except for this was way better for using as a USB microphone from the older one, and that is over on the Carolina's Photography channel. And if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to never miss a shot from YeagerShots.com.